Curmudgeon is a lovely word, though I don't know what it means. I think maybe that it's a dog who doesn't like baked beans. Another word I really love is existentialist, which I was told is the seventh thing upon a Christmas list. Some other words that I have heard that always make me smile are pompous and bombastic, sycophant and Anglophile. I don't know what they mean, of course, but that doesn't really matter. I love the way they leave my tongue and bounce around and splatter. My brother says his favourite word is anachronistically, and both of us, we think it means to never disagree. I like the word epitome, and I love to say gesumpt. And I also like the way it feels when I say something slumped. I love the word rhinoceros, and I love the word usurp. And I love to use some silly words like twit and bottom burp. I love the sound of Euripides, emancipation and absurd. And I think egalitarian is a type of yellow bird. Yes, I have lots of favourites, though I also love the rest. But what about you, my watching friend? Are there some words you love the best?